In this video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use from today to start making money with CPA marketing and YouTube. And don't worry, you are not going to be recording any videos at all. Basically, this is a very simple commenting strategy that you can use. A 5-year-old kid can do this strategy. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. As you can see, $11 made today, and the day is not over yet. And also for those who have been trying to join the course but they couldn't, this is your opportunity right now, as the course is now at $49. All you need to do is to change whatever currency you see right here to US dollars. Okay, once you change it to US dollars, you will be able to get this course at $49, and this is a limited time offer. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go back to the video. As you can see right here, like I said, $11 have been made on this account today. So if I pop the refresh button right here, so you can see almost $12, and the day is not over yet. Okay, so basically this account average around $20 a day. So what you are going to be doing when you go onto YouTube is very simple. All you need to do is to look for a niche that people are trying to solve their problems. All right, it's very easy. An example of that type of niche is Instagram. A lot of people are trying to grow their following on Instagram, on YouTube, on Pinterest, on TikTok, Twitter, you name it. Okay, you don't have to use Instagram. You can always change it to whatever social media of your choice. All right, but I am going to use Instagram as an example for the purpose of this video. So once you come onto YouTube right here, you type in how to go on Instagram 2022 and you click on this search button. So the next thing you want to do before you take any action is you want to go onto this filter setting and you want to set it to this week. So once you do that, it's going to show you the newest video that are made on that topic. So what you want to do is you want to click on these videos right here. As you can see, there are a lot of videos. All right, there are a lot of videos. Okay, so let's take this video as an example, the first one. So if I click on this video right here, all right, so once you click on this video, and also I must mention that you want to download the vidIQ plugin. It's very important for this method. You can download from Chrome Web Store. Okay, all you just need to do is type in, you want to come to Google and type in vidIQ. Okay, so once you type in vidIQ Chrome extension, so that is all you need to type on Google, and you want to click on the first link you see right here, which says chrome.google.com, and you will get it for absolutely free. So once you install that, if you go back to YouTube, you want to go to this section right here that says powered by vidIQ, and you want to filter this to minimum numbers of subscribers, because if they are watching these videos, right, then they are trying to grow their subscribers. So if you do that, it's going to show comments that are made by people with the least amount of subscribers. All right, so once you do that, vidIQ is going to show you the number of subscribers of the people that made comment on this post. As you can see right here, this person has 100 subscribers, which means this person is definitely a YouTuber and trying to grow their channel. You can see this one has 2 subscribers, this one just a little over 100 subscriber. So basically what you want to do is, and you can see we have another one right here, just 55 subscribers. You can see this one right here, I've tried everything from the past year and nothing happened. There is something wrong with my account. So basically you want to reply to this type of people. So what you want to do is you want to click on the reply button, and I have already made a script available for you that you can use for absolutely free. So the way this script is going to work, I'll leave a link in the description. You can download this script for absolutely free. All right, so basically as you can see right here, this is a simple script that tells people how to grow their Instagram. All right, so the juicy part of this whole thing is you want to swap out just this one link right here. Okay, you want to make a content locker, and you want to host the content locker on any CPA network of your choice, CPA Grip, Artwork Media, OG Art, whatever CPA network you want to use, as long as they allow you to make content lockers, you can use it. Okay, so I've made a video already on how to make content locker. If you don't know how to do it, I'll also link the video down below so you can check that out. So basically, you want to go on to idplr.com. As you can see, this is a very good PLR product that you can give away for absolutely free. Instagram marketing secret: how to build an audience and market your business on Instagram, even if you are a beginner. As you can see, this is a perfect ebook for most people, because usually those who are watching this type of how to grow their Instagram subscribers are definitely going to be beginners. All right, so that is the perfect PLR product that you can content lock, and you can have them complete CPA offers. Then you want to give them this product for free. So all you just need to do is go on to idplr.com and type in Instagram marketing secrets, and you would be able to download it for free. So once you have locked this PLR product, you want to grab the link and you want to swap out this link right here, and then you want to replace it with your content locker link. And also, as you can see right here, this is a Google Docs page. Okay, this is made on Google Docs. So if I leave a link in the description, you should be able to edit this page, and you want to swap out the link and replace it with yours. So to swap out the link, once you are on this page, you want to highlight this link right here, and you want to click on this pen icon to edit link, and you want to type in whatever link you want right here. So basically, you don't even need to use a landing page at all. All you need to do is grab your content locker link, and you want to shorten it in tinyURL. Okay, so once you shorten your content locker link right here, grab the tinyURL link and you want to paste it in here. So for example, if I decide to say tinyurl.com/xbm, okay, so if I click on apply, you can see the link has changed. Okay, so basically anyone who comes to this page and they click on this link, they are going to be taken to wherever whatever link is behind this tinyURL shortener. Okay, so basically that is how you set up this page before you leave a comment on YouTube. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is grab this link. You want to grab this Google Docs link. Okay, so you want to click on this private, and you want to change it to, you want to change the restricted to change to anyone with the link. Okay, so once you click on that, this is your link right here. And you want to go on to YouTube and you want to make a simple comment. Like, I have also been struggling to grow my subscribers on YouTube as well, and I found an article on Google Docs that you can read for absolutely free, and you can implement those strategies as well. All right, so basically you can make simple comment like that, and you want to leave the link to this Google Docs. Okay, so definitely you also want to shorten this Google Docs link as well. All right, so once you shorten the link, you are going to paste the link right here. Okay, so take for example, let me shorten the link. So if I click on this link and then I paste it right here, if I click on make URL, so basically this is the link you are going to be adding in your YouTube comment. Okay, so once they click on this link, they will be redirected to this page. So the reason why you are shortening this link is because this Google link is too long and it may look spammy. So you want to shorten it so that it looks neat. All right, so once they come to this page and they click on this tinyURL link, it's going to take them to your content locker. All right, so basically that's how it works. You want to reply as many people as you can right here, but you don't want to overdo this. Okay, you want to look for people with little amount of subscribers and you want to reply them directly. You can see another person here with 2 subscribers. So definitely this person is also trying to grow their subscriber as well. So literally you are going to do this same process for all of these videos. All right, so once you're done with Instagram, you can go on and use TikTok as well, and you want to edit this article right here, and you can have TikTok here as well. So basically this is how simple you can do this method. All you need to do is to make about 20 comments a day and you will get people to this page. Okay, so basically this is free traffic for you, and definitely, and also keep in mind, when you reply a comment on YouTube, other people who are coming to that video, they are also going to see that comment. So definitely it's not only the person you reply to that is going to potentially go to your link. Anyone who comes to that video who sees that comment can also go to this link. So basically, this is a very simple and effective strategy that you can use from today to start driving traffic to your CPA offers and make money online. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.